Good morning, class. Today, we will be diving into the fascinating world of medical nanotechnology. As we all know, nanotechnology has revolutionized several industries, and the field of medicine is certainly no exception. Over the past few decades, researchers have made tremendous strides in harnessing the potential of nanotechnology to develop innovative solutions for various medical challenges. In this session, we will explore 12 different topics that highlight the diverse applications and advancements in medical nanotechnology. So without further ado, let's get started. Nanoparticle-mediated drug delivery has emerged as a promising strategy to enhance the efficacy and specificity of therapeutic agents. Nanoparticles can effectively overcome biological barriers and deliver drugs to specific targets, such as tumor cells. These nanoparticles can be engineered to carry a wide range of payloads including small molecule drugs, proteins, nucleic acids, and even gene editing tools. Additionally, the surface properties of nanoparticles can be modified to achieve controlled drug release, prolonged circulation time, and reduce toxicity. This approach has shown great potential in improving the treatment outcomes for various diseases, including cancer, neurological disorders, and infectious diseases. Bladder cancer is a challenging disease to treat due to the limitations of current therapeutic approaches. However, advancements in nanotechnology have opened new avenues for the development of nanostructured biomaterials for bladder cancer treatment. These biomaterials can be tailored to mimic the extracellular matrix and promote targeted drug delivery to cancer cells within the bladder. Moreover, the incorporation of imaging agents into these biomaterials allows for real-time monitoring of the disease progression and response to treatment. Such nanoscale interventions hold great promise in improving the outcomes of bladder cancer patients. Timely diagnosis plays a crucial role in the successful management of many diseases. Nanosensors, with their high sensitivity and specificity, have emerged as invaluable tools for early diagnosis. These devices can detect biomarkers associated with specific diseases at extremely low concentrations, enabling accurate and rapid diagnosis. Nanosensors can be designed to detect various disease biomarkers, including proteins, nucleic acids, and metabolites. Additionally, the integration of nanotechnology with existing diagnostic techniques, such as imaging and biosensors, has further enhanced the sensitivity and accuracy of disease detection. Image-guided nanotherapeutics combine the power of imaging and targeted drug delivery to improve treatment outcomes. By incorporating imaging agents into nanoparticles, clinicians can visualize the distribution and uptake of therapeutics in real time. This enables personalized medicine, as the treatment can be tailored based on the patient's response. Moreover, the imaging capabilities provide valuable feedback on the therapeutic efficacy, allowing for adjustments in the treatment regimen. Image-guided nanotherapeutics have demonstrated great potential in various disease areas, including cardiovascular disorders and cancer. Gene therapy holds immense promise for treating genetic disorders and certain types of cancer. Nanotechnology has played a pivotal role in advancing the field of gene therapy by facilitating efficient delivery of therapeutic genes to target cells. Nanoparticles can protect the therapeutic genes from degradation, enhance cellular uptake, and improve gene expression. Furthermore, the surface properties of nanoparticles can be modified to achieve cell-specific targeting and trigger controlled release. With continued advancements in nanotechnology, gene therapy has the potential to become a widely utilized treatment modality in the near future. Nanotheranostics represents the integration of diagnostics and therapeutics into a single nanoscale platform. In the context of bladder cancer, nanotheranostics offer the unique advantage of simultaneous diagnosis and treatment. These multifunctional nanoparticles can carry therapeutic payloads while also incorporating imaging agents for real-time monitoring. By combining diagnostics and therapeutics, nanotheranostics enable personalized and precise treatment strategies. This approach holds significant potential in improving the outcomes for bladder cancer patients and may pave the way for similar strategies in other disease areas. Immunotherapy has revolutionized cancer treatment by harnessing the power of the immune system to fight against cancer cells. Nanotechnology has enabled significant advancements in immunotherapy, particularly in the areas of immune modulation and targeted drug delivery. Nanoparticles can be designed to deliver immunomodulatory agents, such as immune checkpoint inhibitors, directly to the tumor microenvironment. Additionally, nanoparticles can enhance the presentation of antigens and promote the activation of immune cells. Through their unique properties, nanotechnology-based immunotherapies aim to enhance the efficacy and minimize the side effects associated with conventional immunotherapies. Photodynamic therapy, PDT, utilizes light-sensitive compounds, known as photosensitizers, to selectively destroy diseased cells upon light activation. Nanotechnology has significantly contributed to the advancement of PDT by improving photosensitizer delivery, enhancing tumor targeting, and overcoming limitations associated with light penetration. By encapsulating photosensitizers within nanoparticles, their stability and bioavailability can be enhanced. Furthermore, the surface modifications of nanoparticles allow for improved tumor targeting and selective delivery of photosensitizers. This integration of nanotechnology with PDT holds tremendous potential in the treatment of various cancers. Nanoimmunotheranostics amalgamate the principles of immunotherapy and nanotechnology to improve the diagnosis and treatment of bladder cancer. These nanoscale platforms incorporate immunotherapeutic agents, such as antibodies or immune checkpoint inhibitors, along with imaging agents for real-time monitoring. By combining both diagnostic and therapeutic functions, nanoimmunotheranostics enable precise and personalized treatment strategies. Moreover, the integration of immunotherapeutic agents with nanoparticles enhances their stability, bioavailability, and targeting efficiency. This innovative approach has the potential to reshape the management of bladder cancer and may have broader implications in immunotherapy. Intravesical therapy is a common treatment approach for bladder cancer. Nanotechnology has enabled the development of theranostic nanosystems that can deliver therapeutic agents directly into the bladder while providing real-time monitoring of treatment response. These nanosystems can be engineered to carry chemotherapeutic drugs, immunotherapeutic agents, or even gene editing tools. By incorporating imaging agents, the nanosystems can offer valuable insights into the therapeutic efficacy and help guide treatment decisions. Theranostic nanosystems in the context of intravesical therapy hold great promise in improving the outcomes for bladder cancer patients. The safety of nanomedicine is of utmost importance to ensure its successful translation into clinical practice. While nanotechnology offers numerous advantages, certain concerns must be addressed to guarantee patient safety. These concerns include the potential toxicity of nanoparticles, immune responses, and long-term effects on human health. Extensive research is being conducted to understand the safety profile of different nanomaterials and their interactions with biological systems. Regulatory bodies and organizations are actively involved in establishing guidelines and standards to ensure the safe development and application of nanomedicine. The development and commercialization of nanotherapeutics require adherence to regulatory frameworks that assess their safety, efficacy, and quality. Regulatory bodies, such as the FDA, play a crucial role in evaluating nanotherapeutics to ensure their compliance with strict standards. These evaluations include comprehensive preclinical and clinical studies, as well as rigorous product characterization. Regulatory aspects also encompass issues related to manufacturing practices, quality control, and post-market surveillance. The regulatory landscape for nanotherapeutics is continually evolving to address the unique challenges associated with nanotechnology-based medical interventions. In conclusion, medical nanotechnology has brought about significant advancements in various domains of medicine. The 12 topics we covered today illustrate the immense potential of nanotechnology in improving diagnosis, treatment, and patient outcomes. Nanoparticle-mediated drug delivery, nanostructured biomaterials, nanosensors, and image-guided nanotherapeutics are just a few examples of the groundbreaking applications of nanotechnology in medicine. Furthermore, the integration of nanotechnology with gene therapy, immunotherapy, and photodynamic therapy shows remarkable promise in revolutionizing these fields. However, safety considerations and regulatory aspects must be carefully addressed to ensure the successful translation of nanotherapeutics into clinical practice. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of medical nanotechnology, we can look forward to witnessing further advancements and innovations in the future. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found today's session enlightening and inspiring.